Hi, I'm Ray in the greenhouse today. We're going to make some plant labels, and we're going to use some recycling milk bottles for our plant labels so we can add a label to our seeds that we're sowing. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I've got this 2-litre milk bottle, and it's going to make a perfect project for some plant labels. So I'm going to remove the label, and we're going to cut around the handle. Put that bit aside, and then we're going to cut down and around the base. And there we've got a nice piece of plastic. All we need to do then is cut some nice straight strips. So we've got quite a few labels, and we've also got a little base for our plant pot too. Plant labels, we got our pot, we got our seeds, and we add it in the pot. Job done. So we've got a nice bundle of plant labels, and they just do the job, ready for planting.